welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you a look how I achieved this soft glam. So what I'm doing now basically is cleaning my face with my Garnier Skinactive micellar water, just to remove some dirt and little impurities that might be on my face. I used the opportunity to do my brows off camera. I'm going to put a link to the video of my brows so you can watch it there and see how I did my brows. So what I'm doing now is basically using my concealer to act as a form of base for my eyeshadow. So I'm applying my concealer to use as my base and just blending it in so it goes into the skin properly. The next thing you'd want to do is to set the concealer with either a setting powder or a very nude eyeshadow. Just set it. You have to set it so it doesn't crease so much. So now I went in with my eyeshadow. I'm using a brown shade from the Veebeauty palette at the outer part of my eyes, and then I would use two soft colors at the beginning of my eyes. So you make sure that you blend properly. Blending is key, guys. You have to blend until everything is seamless and together and you don't see any harsh lines. So that's the beauty of eyeshadows, when you don't see where an eyeshadow starts and where it stops. So that's the basic trick about that. Just blending, blend. Here I'm just lining my eyes. I'm using the Mabrook liquid liner to line my eyes, and I'm also using the Mabrook pencil to also line the rim of my eyes. I apologize for the darkness. I was using natural light and all of a sudden the weather changed. I think it was about to rain and that's why we have this darkness, so I apologize for the darkness. What I used previously was my face primer, the Ewaronke face primer, and currently I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte mattifier. I'm just applying it on the places that I would normally produce oil to reduce its oil production. That's what I'm using my mattifier for. And next thing I went in with is my foundation. Next thing we're doing is the highlighting and contouring part. So I'm highlighting with my L.A Girl Concealer, highlighting the under of my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Make sure you're using a damp beauty blender so that your product don't shift. After applying my concealer, you need to set your concealer first before applying your setting powder. Why you need to do this is because so setting powder don't give you patches if you just go directly into it. I hope someone is understanding what I'm saying. So the next thing I'll be doing after that is my reverse contour. What I'm doing now is just the powder contour, using a darker shade of powder to contour my nose. For my lips, I'm using a brown pencil from Classic Makeup just to line my lips. And after that, I would be going in with a lip gloss from House of Tara. So what I'm doing now is dusting off my setting powder after baking my face. You dust off your setting powder, and I'll be using my shade of powder to dust off the excess setting powder on my face. What I'm doing is to just bring back some form of warmth to my face, so I'm contouring my forehead. So we're just applying our powder to marry marry everything together. So just apply your powder on your face. What you want to do is to just tap when you're applying your powder. So just tap so it goes into your skin properly. What I'm doing now is just smoking out the under of my eyes with that brown shade I used initially. And then I'm applying my mascara on my lower lashes. And yeah, let me know if there are some other type of videos you would like to see on my channel. Let me know in the comment section, and we'll try to record those. So what I'm doing now is just to apply a little bit of glow to my face. Remember, this is a soft glam. Also, have you subscribed to my channel? We've gotten to this point, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment. Let me know what other type of video you'd want to see on my channel too. Looking at doing a Q&A. So what questions would you have for me if I am to say I want to do a Q&A? What exactly would you like to know about me? So drop them also in the comment section, and I will make a video where I'm answering those questions. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Guys, bye and stay safe.